I'm Dr. Michael Zappa, Chief of Emergency Services for Cape Fear Valley Health. What a pleasure it is to be outside on a sunny day without a mask. It's not only a sunny day, but it's a brighter future for our whole community. Take a look behind me. What's missing? There are no longer tents to screen for COVID-19 patients. This is a credit to the work we have done as a community. We have listened to the directions. We have washed our hands frequently. We have maintained social distancing, and we have stayed home whenever possible. This has flattened the curve. This has decreased the rate of spread of COVID-19 in our community. Because of this, we now have the capacity to treat COVID-19 patients in our hospital along with all the other patients that routinely come to the emergency department. I want to shout out to all the heroes here in this emergency department. All through this pandemic, they have continued to treat regular emergencies, all our patients with chest pain, abdominal pain, patients with weakness who may have strokes, patients who are victims of trauma, whether it minor or major. This is what we do in emergency medicine, and we will continue to do it. We're not out of the woods yet. Just because we've taken those tents down doesn't mean we're dropping our level of vigilance. Every patient who comes to our emergency department will still be screened for respiratory symptoms. Let's take a look.
Hey, welcome to Cape Fear Valley. Have you had a cough? I'm going to take your temperature.
Your safety as a patient is our #1 priority. When you come in, you'll notice that all of our staff is in what we call full PPE. That means they're going to always wear a mask, always have eye protection on, and a gown. This is to prevent you from contracting anything while in our care. Along with keeping you safe, it is very important to avoid crowds. And that means at the hospital as well. For that very reason, we are maintaining visitor restrictions. Notice we still have an empty waiting room. We're making tremendous progress. Together, we will get through this pandemic. Remember, your life and health are your most precious gifts. Continue to wash your hands, practice social distancing, and stay home except for the most important essential reasons to leave your house, to go to a drugstore to get food, or to come to the hospital when you need care. We're here when you need us.